We're going to start today's video with me thanking the genius engineers over at Dodge Ram for saving my life. You see, if it wasn't for their forward collision warning system, I would have died in a fiery, explodey crash. It would have been awful. They saved my life, and to thank them, I am thanking them here right now. So let's see how their ultra genius forward collision warning system have saved my life and prevented the worst crash in the history of all crashes that have ever happened.
Be a holy cause.
You betcha, just about. Once you have a dogma, you also have heretics, and then you get to a permanent mistake and all sorts of...
Why the hell would that go off when my foot's on the brake?
So, in the 70s, we have a lot of uproar. We have a lot of...
Place.
Oh my God! Absolutely.
Nobody would have thought that.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. What the fuck was that?
The guy comes back and scores. He's doing, you know, he
When you said he'd make a difference,
I thought he'd make. When I said make a difference.
Wait, that was a left
like
turn from the center lane up there.
not
Let's see how clearly that caught on camera.
Yeah. He's in two Goonies this week. He is laying the lumber like Wendell Clark at center ice.
yeah.
Red light run, red light run, red light run for like the second time in the last 2 minutes. Yeah.
Is that you know, I've been here like 15 years, and this is the first time I've ever really
No headlights!
do not hate Alabama whatsoever. I usually root for
Wait,
Alabama.
turned him on
Yeah,
right as he passed me. But you're still going in the video!
Well, the other thing is,
Yes, fuck you!
A gear expert or even a gear nerd necessarily. I don't want to speak for you.
No, stop.
I imagine you probably feel the same way. Would you call yourself?
It would get uncomfortable. Like I remember I was in Pennselsvania and it was just really wearing on me. Wouldn't sit right.
Yeah, you wait
and
for
I just asked the group, like,
everyone
to
for everyone to be
adjust
coming
this
to
for
turn
me.
out
I was
from
so
there.
frustrated that I was already halfway
Really?
through with the AT and couldn't get it figured out. But my friend that did the piece feel all my feelings and like not hold anything in. So I think in that
No,
moment,
stop,
I
man.
was
You gotta
just
clear
kind
the
of
snow
freaking
off your
out,
car.
and I wasn't trying.
If you'd like to write into us, you can write to us at contact.
Realize you can't blow into the street.
And
Hey.
other than that,
Really?
see you next week.
Bye, everybody. To download it, fingers crossed. Everywhere you can download a podcast.
We're gonna put a link in this week's show notes to the Patreon and to.
No, stop!
If it's not there,
From probably like a loaf of bread or something. And I'm like, what the fuck is a twist tie? Am I goddamn
Red light run,
There's-
red light run, red light run. You didn't stop. You gotta ride the lightning now. Sorry, I don't make up the rules.
Relaxed. It sounds better. It sounds more powerful. It has more flow to it. So it's something I've been working on because
What the hell's that guy doing down there?
right now.
It's an intersection blocker in his way. That road's over there to the left. And your lift gate's open too. Exit dive. No one wants to go to Mattydale. We gotta go to Syracuse. Really? Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Different guy, you know, but the times I've dealt with him in my life, I've always liked him too. The bottom line is they finally got their national title. So
No,
like
stop.
I said, it's got a lot of critics.
And apparently what has happened, a couple, a family, a Muslim family, is suing
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
But Marvel's got few options for Spider-Man's new video game home. Most game publishers...
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Characters they don't...
Hey, what are you doing over there? The guy was turning right. He has right away. Nissan drivers.
Junior
I'm stuck
college.
in every single fucking lane
I
in
would
this
think this
town.
is the equivalent of high school. Or you could continue to the polytechnic, which would...
You know, with all the
which would help
videos I
you
watch
to
about
the
real
which
Amsterdam,
was
this is very disappointing from the
definitely
fake
not
Amsterdam
as,
here.
Not as good as a degree, as a certification, but it was more practical because you could...
No, stop!
To do like a diploma in business or diploma. I wasn't looking for God. I just was so curious and such a free man with nothing to lose that I was like,
Yeah, that light had to have been
I
red.
wouldn't mind joining you guys.
Blew right
I wouldn't
through
mind
it.
reading the Bible with you guys. And
Really? Hey, speaking of the fastest set of wheels, why don't you move your wheels faster? Shut up, Beach Boys. You stop!
Please tell us a little bit about the Seven, because that is such an intense organization.
Yeah.
Hello!
Well, let me preface it. So, I kind of divide my...
Yeah, you could have done this. You could have done all this stuff behind me, where there's nobody. And you would still be sitting there and not lose any time. Really?
Who were 4 and 5 years older. And my dad was a farmer. He was not an educated man. My mom had a high school in the church for many years.
What the fuck?
Simply following what they had been taught, right? Spare the rod, spoil the child. The discipline.
Oh, let me guess. You're gonna go road rage at him now.
What, and it was common because they
Nissan drivers.
in the church was spankings with yardsticks and
Yeah, look at him up there.
spoons, and I was locked in a dark.
Yeah, they're following him up through the drive-thru. What an idiot. It's like they had their blinker on. They were obviously turning left into there. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we are on the thruway just outside of Albany. They don't allow trailers in the left lane here. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video now. Oh, well, ha. Whatever. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff before you get more videos and stuff. Yay! Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!